It's okay. Chicken nuggets. No. I'll just like it. Like the sauce. Curry sauce, sweet and sour sauce, lemon sauce. Oh yes. Soup. Are we trying the sauce? Sweet and sour.
Lemon sauce, sweet and sour.
Curry. I think I'll try the sweet and sour. Just put it on the side. In case I don't like it. Then we can put some of the lemon on the side as well. I'm surprised. Yeah. Oh.
You don't remember.
No, it's just I did not know that like it's the down part I was saying was here. Oh guys, that's where we took our wedding pictures on that bridge. Yeah.
So we need to cross.
Wow, the sun is out,
If
people
we
are
pass
here.
these steps,
Mm-hmm.
you can go to the
Okay.
like down the steps here.
Yeah.
You can go to the building.
Okay.
You can use this for the
Let's walk along the river instead. Wow.
Then in this garden you can
Oh, the water is so serene there.
but you're on the sun side.
Let's go and see what is over where? Where? It's full, like there's no space at all. Huh? We can go if you don't.
They have made a kind of dam.
Mm.
So it comes look at the dog, look at the dog, look at the dog.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Did he jump?
Then
Okay, so if we can, I like this place, like just here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so what's the point of the sun now?
This one's not comfortable.
No, it's not the same. It's the same with this, yeah?
The same.
There's no foam or anything. We can sit on here. Because people are not here, so I don't want to do it where somebody will think it's them I'm videoing. I'm videoing you.
And still have this, but
So two times.
it's okay.
Yep.